Okay, this is the first video for assignment 48. It's going to be a real short one. We're going to be given a system of equations. So it is 3x plus y equals 9 and x plus 4y is equal to 14. And we want to determine whether the following points are solutions. If an ordered pair x comma y is a solution to the system of equations, that means it will satisfy both equations. So here they're going to ask you, okay, is the point -1, 7, is that a solution? That's an x comma y. So you're going to plug that into both equations for x and y respectively and see if it's equal to 9. And then afterwards, is it equal to 14 into both equations? So 3 times -1 plus 7, is that equal to 9? -3 plus 7, is that equal to 9? Is 4 equal to 9? Nope, that's false. Okay, we don't even need to bother to check in the second equation. We just say it's not a solution. Okay, and then they'll give us another point. Let's say 2 comma 3. That's our x comma y, so we're going to plug it in. 3 times 2 plus 3, is that equal to 9? 6 plus 3, is that equal to 9? Yes, it is. 9 equals 9. Okay, so that's true. But we can't say it's a solution yet to the system of equations. We have to check to make sure it works in the other equation. Okay, so 2 plus 4 times 3, is that equal to 14? 2 plus 12, is that equal to 14? I think it is. So 14 is equal to 14. That's true. It's this point, 2 comma 3 satisfies both equations, and so we can say that 2 comma 3 is a solution to the system of equations. Alright, that's it, and we'll see you in the next video.